So I'm sure you've all seen this before, but don't worry, we are going to fix this in under 5 minutes. So never fear, you can absolutely get around this. Now what I'm going to do is download a Windows 11 multi-edition version from Microsoft themselves. You can do so by hitting the link in the description. You do have to select your language. So once you've selected your language, I'm English International. It's English UK, but that's absolutely fine. That will go and download. Now, what I'm going to need to utilize here is another tool called Rufus. Now, Rufus will enable us to bypass some of those checks that Windows 11 carries out. Primarily the 4 gig minimum. The other one will be around the CPU. So the problem I've got with this particular machine that I'm utilizing is it's i7 Gen 7, which isn't currently supported by Windows 11. So what I'm going to do is basically ignore that requirement. Now, all I need to do in here is once everything's up and run, plug in my USB drive, select my Windows ISO, and I should just be able to hit start. Once I hit start, which I will do in a moment, it will then prompt me with some further sections that I just need to confirm. So in here, you can see I can bypass Secure Boot and TPM2. I can also add in local user groups if I want, local user. What I can also do is basically take away the need for an internet connection as well, which is highly sought after, particularly when you're building these en masse. Now, once I'm ready, I can just click on all those, click OK, and let the USB go off and build itself. And after a short while, mine was a little bit slower than normal because I was using a USB 2 drive. It will complete. Now, once it's complete, all we then need to do is take it over to our machine, boot in, and I'll show you the process. So once booted in, we're just going to follow the standard Windows 11 process. Now, the particular version I'm utilizing here is Windows 11 Home, but it works exactly the same for Windows 11 Pro or any other version of Windows 11 you're looking for. So I'm not going to bore you too much with exactly how it goes through here because I'm sure everybody's by now installed Windows 11, but just a quick run through. So the Windows 11 installation will just look like any normal Windows 11 installation. I'm currently running 25H2 on this, so your mileage may vary depending upon what version you're utilizing at any given point. But like I said, I've shortened this video dramatically to make sure we get this in under 5 minutes. It will reboot, do its usual stuff, check for updates if it's connected. So if you've got any wireless internet connection or you've also installed your Ethernet connection, it will grab those updates. I'm sure in a minute Microsoft is going to tell me that don't worry, good things are going to happen. That's debatable. But either way, this is going to go off and just grab everything it needs to do. Once it's ready to go, it will reboot a few times. As you see, good things are coming my way apparently. It's going to reboot a couple of times, but rest assured, my i7 700K is absolutely going to do the job here. So you can utilize this to bypass quite a few things. One thing to note is that's at that initial stage. In a later edition, if Microsoft decide to try to prevent some of these workarounds, you may need to do some registry edits, but at the moment, this is still working today in 2026. And as you can see, this is now fully built, and you can see I've got my i7, so Gen 7 7700 CPU up and running and good to go. So there we are. That was a really, really quick guide on how to basically solve, if you've got an older generation machine that isn't capable of running Windows 11 due to TPM or CPU or even memory requirements, that's a quite simple way utilizing Rufus to bypass it. Now, like I said, you may need to, at a later date, do some registry changes, but for now, that will absolutely do exactly what you're trying to achieve. Anyway, if you have liked this video, you know what to do. Please hit the like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.